Go to the Play Store, search Card Story or click the link on the description and install. After ma-install, open the app and mag-pop up yung tutorial. Kahit new user ka, makaka-withdraw ka agad, just follow the tutorial. Before maka-withdraw, just log into your Google account. Type your GCash account and click Save. Click Withdraw and wala pang 1 minute nandyan na yung withdrawal mo. This is my proof of withdrawal. Click Referral Code. Type my code, 75,564,548 to get 3,000 diamonds. At meron din siyang third-party apps.